The 2026 Range Rover represents the pinnacle of luxury SUVs, combining decades of heritage with modern innovation to create a vehicle that feels both familiar and futuristic. Land Rover has always carried the badge of sophistication, blending British craftsmanship with off-road mastery, and the new generation raises that bar higher than ever. It is not just an upgrade, it is a statement that luxury, technology, and performance can harmoniously coexist in a single, commanding presence. The exterior design of the 2026 Range Rover continues its timeless language but introduces subtle enhancements that reflect modern tastes. The body lines are cleaner, sharper, and more refined, giving the SUV a sculpted, almost yacht-like appearance. The signature floating roof design is now accompanied by slimmer LED headlights and a more assertive grille, which together create a sense of elegance and dominance on the road. The flush door handles and aerodynamic improvements are carried over from the previous generation, but they have been polished further to reduce drag and make the car more efficient. The proportions are unmistakably Range Rover, tall and broad-shouldered, yet with an air of refinement that makes it just as fitting outside a country estate as it is in the bustling streets of a modern metropolis. Inside, the 2026 Range Rover transforms into a sanctuary of comfort and technology. The cabin reflects the philosophy of minimalism, but every surface, button, and stitch exudes luxury. Soft touch materials, sustainable leathers, and innovative fabrics are used generously, giving passengers a sense of indulgence. The seats have been redesigned for maximum comfort during long drives, equipped with advanced heating, cooling, and even massage functions that adapt to the body. Rear passengers benefit from executive-class seating with reclining functions, fold-out tables, and entertainment screens that rival those of high-end private jets. Ambient lighting has been taken to new heights, offering customizable tones that suit the mood of the journey, whether it is a quiet evening drive or a long family road trip. The technology integrated into the new Range Rover cabin is cutting-edge but never overwhelming. At the heart of the dashboard is the latest version of Land Rover's Pivi Pro infotainment system, displayed on a curved, high-resolution touchscreen that feels intuitive and fluid. It offers seamless connectivity with smartphones, AI-powered navigation, and over-the-air updates that keep the system fresh for years to come. Drivers also benefit from a fully digital instrument cluster and an optional augmented reality head-up display that projects real-time information onto the windshield. For audiophiles, the 2026 model offers an advanced Meridian sound system with immersive 3D sound, transforming the cabin into a concert hall. Voice control and gesture recognition add a futuristic touch, making every interaction with the car smoother and more natural. Performance has always been central to the Range Rover identity, and the 2026 model ensures that heritage continues. Customers can expect a wide variety of powertrains, from traditional combustion engines tuned for efficiency and refinement to advanced hybrid and fully electric options. The all-electric variant is particularly groundbreaking, delivering instant torque, a silent ride, and a range that makes long-distance travel practical without compromising luxury. Acceleration is brisk for a vehicle of its size, and handling feels surprisingly nimble thanks to adaptive suspension and rear-wheel steering. Whether navigating tight urban streets or cruising on open highways, the Range Rover feels both commanding and composed. True to its roots, off-road capability remains a cornerstone of the new Range Rover. Equipped with Land Rover's terrain response system, the SUV automatically adjusts suspension, traction, and torque distribution depending on the surface beneath its wheels. From snow and mud to sand and steep rocky paths, it remains unstoppable. The advanced air suspension allows the driver to raise or lower the vehicle depending on conditions, ensuring both comfort on the road and confidence off it. Even the electric models retain the legendary ability to wade through water and conquer challenging terrains, reminding owners that despite its luxury persona, the Range Rover is still a beast at heart. Safety and driver assistance features are equally impressive in the 2026 edition. A suite of advanced sensors and cameras works seamlessly to provide features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. Semi-autonomous driving capabilities are available, allowing the vehicle to handle certain highway driving tasks with minimal driver input. Parking such a large SUV becomes effortless with 360-degree cameras, automated parking systems, and even remote control parking via a smartphone app. These innovations not only improve convenience but also add layers of confidence for both seasoned drivers and newcomers to the brand. Sustainability has been a growing focus for the automotive industry, and Land Rover has ensured that the 2026 Range Rover reflects these values. Beyond offering hybrid and electric models, the use of eco-friendly materials inside the cabin sets a new standard for responsible luxury. Recycled fabrics, responsibly sourced woods, and vegan leather alternatives are available, allowing customers